In 5 months after the Lok Sabha debacle, the Congress is holding its first stock-taking exercise. We believe that all general secretaries and those in charge of the states are present at that meet. Those are visuals also coming in. Sneha's on the phone line getting us all the details. Sneha, many would say this, meeting, that stock-taking exercise is actually happening quite late in the day. The party is already lost out in Maharashtra, in Haryana. What really is the roadmap that the party now is looking forward to?
Interestingly, to begin with, this wasn't supposed to be a stock-taking exercise, Deepti. Let me tell you through my sources that this was supposed to be an exercise in which the PCC chiefs would meet with the election authority of the Congress party and talk about the internal elections. Remember, the process is on for internal elections in the organization of the Congress party. Last week, general secretaries had met for the same. And this time around, 28th, which is today, PCC chiefs, which is Pradesh Congress chiefs, were supposed to meet only the election authority for the same. But interestingly, like you said, general secretaries of states, general secretaries in general, and also PCC chiefs, including the Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi, is taking this meeting to understand what really went wrong. Of course, this is a stock-taking exercise, and this comes months after the Lok Sabha debacle in which the Congress faced a rout, and of course, after the defeat in Haryana and Maharashtra elections as well. It remains to be seen what sort of a roadmap the party really charts out. The Congress, the reshuffle of the organization is something which is on the cards here. PCC chiefs will be talking to higher-ups within the party about what really went wrong in their respective states. Remember, in Maharashtra, Manik Rao Thackeray stepped down after the poll debacle, after the Congress's rout in the state of Maharashtra. So all of these leaders will be talking to the Congress High Command on what really went wrong in their respective states, and they're going to analyze, of course, the situation, the roadmap from here on, and that really seems to be on top of the agenda in this meeting today.